Most traders lose money not because candlestick patterns don't work, but because they use them the wrong way. They see one bullish candle, then they rush and click on buy or long. No direction, no confirmation, even no plan. And then they wonder why the market keep punishing them. So in today's video, how to know when to buy or sell using market direction and candlesticks. I'm going to show you a simple, logical way to use candlesticks with context so you stop guessing and start understanding the markets. Before we continue, please note, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. I am not giving financial advice or promising profits. Trading involves risk, and you should always do your own personal research and trade responsibly. Now, here is the mistake most beginners make. They learn candlestick patterns from pictures like hammer, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and doji. And the moment they see one, they enter the trade. But one thing these people don't realize is trading is not about pictures. It is about context. Using candlestick patterns without knowing the market direction, where price is coming from, whether the market is strong or weak, is a serious mistake that most beginners make. First, what are candlestick patterns? Candlestick patterns are visual signs created by price movement. They help traders understand whether buyers are strong, whether sellers are strong, or when the market is undecided. So think of candlestick like sign language for price. They don't talk, but they communicate. Types of candlestick patterns. There are two types of candlestick patterns you need to understand. The first one, bullish reversal patterns. This appears after price has been falling down. Then they suggest that price may start going up. Examples are hammer, bullish engulfing, and inverted hammer. Now let's talk about the bearish reversal pattern. This appears after price have been rising, so they suggest price may start going down. Do you get it now? Examples of this pattern, the first one is hanging man. The second one is bearish engulfing. So if you take note of this, just utilize the opportunity. The third one is shooting star. Get this important note. A pattern alone does not mean price will reverse. No. Don't do that mistake. I repeat, a pattern alone does not mean price will reverse. It only means something might be changing. This is what most mentors don't explain clearly, and I am ready to give you for free, no matter how good your strategy is. If you don't know the higher time frame direction, then you will always be confused. Let me give you this simple explanation. The higher time frame tells you the direction, while the lower time frame helps you to enter. For newbies, this is what we call time frame. You see 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and so on. Yes, if you don't understand this and you want to trade, then that means you are coming for gambling, not for trading. So you need to give me your full attention with this explanation. For you to understand market direction, the first thing to do is to ensure you click on the higher time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, or you select 1 day. Now, when selected, then look for this. If it is uptrend, look for higher high and higher low, like this now. So this is higher high, higher higher, and this is higher higher. Why this is higher low, higher low, higher low? If you watch properly, you will see that this high is low to this high, and this one is also low to this one, which means uptrend. And if you check this higher low, this one is low compared to this one. Why this one is also low compared to this one, which is uptrend. Both the higher high of this is lower to the one of this, and this one also low to this, so they are going up. The step is going up. Both the higher and the higher low, they are going up. That is uptrend. It's swing high and swing low, they are going up. Uptrend. This means price keeps climbing higher over time. So if you come for spot trading now, you have opportunity to look for buy setup. And if you are into futures trading, then you have opportunity to look for long setups. Now let's talk about the downtrends. Let me go and look for downtrend sample. Now I think we have downtrends here. In downtrend, you have to look for lower highs and lower lows. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and so on. And if you check, this is downtrend. The previous lower high is more higher than this recent lower high. This recent lower high is more higher than the next lower high. So that is downtrend. The same thing with lower low. So this lower high are going downward and this lower low are also going downwards. That is called downtrend, meaning price falling down over time. So you should only look for sell setups or short setups. Now, what are swing highs and swing lows? Swing high is the highest point price reached before falling. So it's the same thing as higher high. While swing low is the lowest point price reached before rising. If each new high is higher than the last, then that is uptrend. And if each new low is lower than the last, that is called downtrend. So this is how professional knows what side to trade. Now that I have prepared your mind, it is time for us to do what? Put everything together. Step number 1, before you trade, check for higher time frame like 4 hours. This is to identify if the market is uptrend or downtrend. And as you can see from here, this is uptrend. I have shown you what uptrend is. That is higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low, and so on like that. So this is uptrend right now. Step number 2, move to lower time frame like 15 minutes. So let me go and click it. Click on this 15 minutes. Good. Now look at the 15 minutes. So the next thing for you to do is to turn on the Bollinger Bands. I've already turned it on here. So let me show you. I think you can see it here. This is ball. That is Bollinger Bands. What are Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Band help to show overbought areas. That is, the price is too high. You will know when the price is too high. Then it help you to know oversold area. That is when the price is too low. Bollinger Band have 3 lines. As we all know, it has upper band, middle band, and lower band. So when the price touch the upper band, we anticipate that it has been oversold and it tends to reverse. That is, price may come down. And what happened after then? The price is coming down. And the moment it touched this lower Bollinger Band, the price is going up. And if you check this place now, Bollinger Band was wide here, but here it's shrinking. Shrinking means it's consolidating. That is the quiet moment. So even within this consolidation arm, as the price touched this lower Bollinger Band, what happened? The price is going up again here. So when it gets to this place also, as it touches here now, then the price is coming down here. Let's assume I want to do scalping. I may utilize this opportunity to do scalping because I am very sure this price may soon come down anytime from here, come down again. All I have to do is just switch to 5 minutes time frame so as to know the perfect entry. Step 3, match direction plus location, then plus candlestick. That is just so perfect. How are we going to do that? In a downtrend, let's assume our higher time frame signify downtrend. So let me go and look for downtrend move here. Okay, something like this. We are going to check 3 things. Don't forget step 3, we said we are making use of match direction, location, and candlestick. So from here now, if you check carefully, you see that the price have touched the upper Bollinger Band here. Are you seeing it? It has touched the upper Bollinger Band, which proves that this market has been overbought. And what happened after then? The market is coming down, but that is not the only confirmation we are using. Second one is to look for bearish candlestick pattern. Assuming the market have not shown all this one, the market is still indicating around here. We have first gotten proven by price touching the upper Bollinger Band. That is first one, and we are looking for 3 confirmations. So the second one is to look for bearish candlestick pattern. And let me write this thing so that you can see it very well. Now this is shooting star. I don't know if you can see it very well. This one here, this is called shooting star. Are you seeing it again? This is shooting star. I may put it on the screen for you to see. Shooting star is one of the confirmation candlestick for bearish movement. So it make up 3. Don't forget, the first one we put it 15 minutes time frame. The second one we turn on the Bollinger Band and the price touch the upper Bollinger Band, and the third one we make use of the bearish candlestick pattern where we're able to see shooting star. Don't forget, it's not only shooting star that signify bearish candlestick pattern. In this tutorial, I have given you three candlestick pattern we can use for bearish direction. And what happened after then? Look at this. We have bearish. So after the bearish, if you take note, we see that we are experiencing uptrend. Let me move it so that you see. You see that this is uptrend. So let's talk about uptrend. How will you know that this market is uptrend? I have shown you for downtrend, but for uptrend, how will you know? Don't forget, we are still under step 3 using match direction, location, and candlestick. Now look at it. First thing first, price touches what? The lower Bollinger Band, which indicate that the price have been oversold, and we anticipate that the market will go upward. That is first thing. Second thing, look for bullish candlestick pattern. So let me widen it so that we can look for bullish candlestick pattern. Even from here, I can see 2. The first one is hammer candlestick pattern. Let me show you. This is hammer. I hope you to confirm it. This is hammer candlestick pattern, and another confirmation still arrived. Look at this. Look at this. This is the second one, which is what? Bullish engulfing pattern. Bullish engulfing patterns. When the wick of the first candle here touches the body of the following candle, and this wick also touches the body of the following candle, that is bullish engulfing. Then after that, what happened? Look at it. The price going up, 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 up. So if you are holding coin, this is a sell area for you. And if you want to go long, maybe you are into futures trading. If you want to go long, this is a potential long area for you to enter. And if you want to buy coin, then this is a potential buy area. Let me show you this place. This is a potential buy area for you. So let me give you example. If 4 hours time frame, let me put it 4 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame, if it's showing uptrend and 15 minutes time frames pull back to lower Bollinger Band. Okay, let me put it 15 minutes and show you something. Now, I think you are seeing it now. When I put it 15 minutes, you see now, it touches what here? Lower Bollinger Band here. So I repeat, if 4 hours shows uptrend, and when you put the time frame to 15 minutes, the price pulled back to lower Bollinger Bands. Then the third one, if bullish engulfing pattern appears, then you now have direction plus confirmation, then plus location. Are you getting me now? So which means, let's assume I want to trade now. There is a tendency that we are going to have uptrend with this. So I can enter markets. If I'm going for long now, let's say futures trading, I'm going for long now, I can enter market around here because I know this will surely go uptrend with these confirmations. So this is how candlesticks are meant to be used. Not just seeing candlestick anyhow and say, oh, this one meant for this, and then you enter market. Boom. Or you see another candlestick, oh, this is what this one means, then you exit market. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to combine it with other strategies before you enter market or exit market. So I think you really enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you have questions, drop it for me in the comment section, and truly I will respond to that as soon as possible. And if you want my one-on-one tutorial, you want to join my signal group, or you want me to train you on how to get signal, you want me to go far beyond what you learn here, you want to know deep down secrets, then you can go join or enroll for Sheyi Dairo Crypto Academy. How will you do that? Check the pinned comment. You'll see link to connect with me or to go enroll for my course. The benefit is this: I will have your time. We are going to schedule time when to go live together. Either you are from US, Canada, or any part of Europe country, Africa, wherever you're watching me from. We are going to schedule time where I can drive you from beginner levels to expert level. I will show you all the secrets. Now, if you want to know details about my course, just check the pinned comments. You see link to connect with me and to go check details about Sheyi Dairo Crypto Crypto Academy. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, give me a like on this video, and help me to share this video. I love you guys. These 2 videos, make sure you go watch them. I love you. See you guys in my next videos.
Stop it there.